Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add people or friends in your Telegram in a really easy way. So the easy way, I'll just spoil the surprise right now, is by scanning the QR code. Now I'll show you guys about it right now without any further ado. Just open up our Telegram. Now after you've opened up your Telegram, just go to your settings on the bottom right, and after you're on your settings, you will see your phone number right under your name, and on the top left you will see four boxes, and just tap on it and you will be able to see your QR code. So that's really cool guys. You can just scan this QR code and make someone else add you, or you can just scan their QR code and you can just add them. No need to share your numbers or anything, and it's that simple guys. And that is how you just scan the QR code in Telegram to add friends. And it's a really simple way to add friends. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. If you're new, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Bye bye. Take